So just take a breath. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out anxiety. Breathe in calmness. Breathe out distress. Each breath allows you to be still, calm, quiet. Breathe in, breathe out. As you breathe, you visualize blue light coming down from the heart of God and entering in the top of your head. This light heals, renews, calms, quiets. Down it moves, slowly expanding, relaxing muscle, bone, skin. Quieting, stilling light. Into the shoulders and down into the arms it moves. Beautiful, expanding light. Peaceful, warming. Down into the hands it moves. And the fingers, and your arms are filled by the light. Warmed, calmed by the light. And your attention moves to the chest as the light flows into your chest, relaxing muscle, bone, skin, calming, quieting, beautiful, radiant, down. As it touches organs, it restores, renews, heals. Beautiful, beautiful light. Down, down. Down into the abdomen, it flows, it moves, it expands. And down, down to the hips. And as it reaches the hips, you feel your whole body relaxing. And as it does, the light continues down into the legs, warming as it goes, expanding as it goes, this beautiful, healing light, renewing, restoring, taking away pain. Down, down, down past the knees and into the feet. The light flows comfortably, freely, connecting you to divine mind, divine presence and awareness. And as the light reaches your toes, you feel your whole body surrounded and filled with healing light. Beautiful, radiant, powerful. And you find yourself drifting, moving, flowing. And as you drift, you feel healing move through you. You feel healing fill you. And as you feel it, it moves you. It connects you. You are aware of your body, of your thoughts, and as you breathe, you breathe in healing light. You breathe out disease, distress. Each breath fills you with renewal. Each breath lifts you higher. As you breathe out, you are cleansed. All negativity dissipates, disappears. There is no fear. There is only light and joy. Breathe, relax, renew. This energy, this thought moves through you, strengthens you, empowers you. Feel it move and settle where there is any discomfort, where there is any disease. And now you expand this healing energy and send it to those whom you know are in need of healing. Visualize it flowing through you to them. They accept it as they can. They integrate it into their bodies, into their being, thoughts, mind. Healing is a thought. Healing is a touch. Send the energy through. Feel it. Know it. And even when you cannot feel it, understand that it is there, it is present, doing its work, restoring, renewing, aligning, healing happens on many levels. Healing happens in its time. All things have their time. All things have their purpose. We choose wellness. We choose healing. It is natural and comfortable. Breathe. Relax. Accept. As you absorb this healing energy, these healing thoughts, you are aware that you can share it with others, channel it to others. It is a limitless resource. Healing energy is limitless. Fear and distress is finite. It dissipates when the healing begins. It dissipates with a thought. We are joyful. And accept healing as something that we can share and feel. And I will count to 3, and you will return to this place and this time, renewed, healed, restored. 1, 2, 3, and your eyes begin to open, and you return back to this place and time, back to the here and the now, refreshed and renewed. Your eyes are opened, and you have returned. Welcome back.